We need a encouragement in the faith, Chris. This is a faith activity. It's one thing to throw your kids into a system of education that is promising success, that's run by bureaucrats, that's funded by a gigantic $6 billion monopoly. But I'm here to tell you, that's not the way we raise our kids. We raise our kids by faith. And granted, home education is a step of faith. Parents find themselves not competent to do the work, oftentimes not competent to do the academic work. But the child's mind is not the only concern. It's the child's heart and life that matters more than anything else. I'm speaking to Christian parents here that know exactly what I'm talking about. And in order to do this, whatever you do, don't do it without faith. Do not walk out onto this plank and then walk off onto the water and then take one step and then a second and a third and a fourth step onto that water without faith. Whatever you do, do not do it without faith. What happens in a homeschooling conference is we're challenged to faith. We're encouraged to faith. We run into others that have already stepped out into the water, and they're walking on water too. And they'll just keep encouraging you to look to Christ and not look to the ones in the waves. And they'll remind you that you're not going to see your immediate results in your kids' lives right off the bat. You're going to have to wait and watch and hope and believe and pray that God will bless your meager efforts in the education, the discipleship of your kids. We're engaged in something completely different. This is a conference that just cannot happen by some federal bureaucracy that's pulling together an education program for 3 million kids. And all the bureaucrats come down, all the teachers come down, and they learn how to educate these kids. We're into something far more complicated, something far more difficult, something far more significant, something with eternal consequences involved here. And I think as parents understand these things, they'll begin to see that these conferences must be a faith-building opportunity for them, in which teachers and the speakers, the pastors, the preachers, the fellow believers that are involved are going to come alongside and encourage you in this faith-filled life. It's a faith-filled activity. Homeschooling our kids, home discipling our kids is a matter of faith. And let's just keep encouraging each other in that regard. Personally, I see our conferences just tremendously encouraging. We just came out of a conference here in Denver, Colorado, 4,200 people showing up, and it was one of the most outstanding, encouraging events I've ever attended in my life. It was amazing. The Spirit of God was down on that thing. We had prayed over it for months beforehand, and God came down over it and blessed all the messages. There's tremendous unity amongst all the speakers. They spoke of Christ. They spoke of faith. They spoke of repentance. They spoke of transparency and how to disciple in a transparent and a real manner. It was a fantastic conference where thousands and thousands were encouraged. And it's not just the speakers. It's also all those interactions that you have along the way during the 2 to 3 days that stir you up and encourage you to go back out there and apply yourself for another 363 days in the work that God has given to us as fathers and mothers.